This giant facility processes cassava flour at industrial scale. Fresh cassava roots arrive in large volumes for processing. Cassava roots are checked before cleaning begins.
Cassava roots are washed to remove soil and debris.
Additional washing prepares cassava for processing. Cassava roots enter mechanical peeling systems. Cassava roots are cut into smaller pieces for grinding. Prepared cassava moves toward the grinding stage. Cassava is grated into a wet pulp. Wet cassava pulp is transferred for moisture removal.
Excess moisture is removed from cassava pulp.
Pressed cassava forms a dense cake.
Pressed cassava cake is broken into smaller granules.
Granulated cassava is fed into industrial dryers.
Cassava granules enter giant industrial dryers. Moisture is removed through controlled heat drying. Dried cassava exits the drying system. Dried cassava is cooled before milling. Dried cassava is milled into fine flour.
Cassava flour moves toward final refinement.
Fine cassava flour is separated by sieving. Finished cassava flour is collected for packaging.
Cassava flour is weighed before packaging.
Cassava flour is filled into industrial bags.
Filled bags are sealed for handling.
Packaged flour is stacked for storage.
Cassava flour is stored in large quantities.
Cassava flour is loaded for transport.
This giant facility supports continuous large-scale production.
Cassava flour production continues at industrial scale.